Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about single phase half wave controlled rectifier with RE load, right? RE load, it is also known as battery charging circuit. Okay, so RE load, it is like this is the EMF of the battery and this is the internal resistance of the battery. Okay, so same circuit we are having the single phase AC supply. Next we are having a thyristor and after that we are having a battery, that is a RE load, right? It is a RE load. Voltage across the load is V0, right? Current flow through the load is I0, right? Current supply current is a IS. Voltage across thyristor is VT. Thyristor current is IT. Okay. Next, in the waveforms we are having, yes, the waveform of the VS, waveform of the E, right? E is a constant. Okay. VS, it is a sinusoidal one. Next, IZ. Next, V0. Next, I0, and after that we are having the VT. Okay. Now, so if you check the VS and E waveform, okay, from and omega t is equal to theta, VS and E both are same, right? Next, at omega t is equal to pi minus theta, VS and E both are same, right? If this is a theta, definitely this angle is also theta. Okay, so at omega t is equal to theta and omega t is equal to pi minus theta, VS and E both will be same. Okay, for omega t less than theta, VS is less than E, right? For omega t is in between theta to pi minus theta, VS is greater than E, and for omega t is between pi minus theta to pi, right? Pi minus theta till pi. Okay, VS is again less than E. Okay, and when VS is negative, we are having the negative supply voltage, and but E is positive only. Okay, now let us discuss, yes, the circuit. Suppose when VS is positive, VS positive is plus here and minus here. Suppose this is a 0 volt, here it is also 0 volt, here it is also 0 volt. If this is 0 volt, what about the potential here? This potential is negative plate potential is 0. So what about the positive plate potential? It is a VS. Okay, so same VS will appear here, VS or plus VS. Okay, so same plus VS will appear at the anode of thyristor. So can we say that potential here is plus VS, right? Again, negative plate potential 0 volt. So what about the potential at the positive plate? It is a E volt, right? Because positive plate potential minus negative plate potential is equal to what? E, right? So here potential is E volt. Are you getting the point? Okay, initially SR is in the off state. So when SR is in the off state, yes, what is the current in the circuit? It will be 0. Current in the circuit is 0. So what about the voltage across the resistor? Voltage across the resistor is also 0, right? So voltage across resistor is 0, right? So here voltage across resistor means what? It is a potential difference across the resistor. Okay, so from this can we say that if here it is E volt, what about the potential here? Here it should be the E volt. Then and only then the potential difference across resistor becomes 0. Okay, so if this is E volt, what about the potential at cathode of thyristor? It will be a E volt. Okay, so are you getting the point? When when VS is positive, the potential at the anode of SCR is plus VS, the potential at the cathode of SCR is E, right? Plus VS and E. Okay, so here if you check VS and E waveform during 0 to theta, omega t is equal to 0 to theta, VS is less than E. VS less than E means what? SR is in the forward, SR is in the reverse bias mode, right? Because anode voltage is less than the cathode voltage. Okay, SR is in reverse bias mode. From omega t is equal to theta till pi minus theta, VS is greater than E. VS greater than E means what? SR is in forward bias mode. And from omega t is equal to pi minus theta till pi, okay, VS is again less than E. VS less than E means what? SR is in reverse bias mode. Okay, so are you getting the point? Where VS positive during this interval, SR is in reverse bias mode. Only during this interval, that is theta to pi minus theta, SR will be in the forward bias mode, and again pi minus theta to pi, SR will be in the reverse bias mode. Okay, now let us check when SR is in the reverse, when VS is negative. So when VS is negative means what? Here it is plus, here it is minus. Okay, so if here it is potential we have considered as 0 volt, what are the potential here? Here it should be minus Vs, and what about here? Here also it should be minus Vs. Okay, so anode potential is minus Vs, cathode potential is E, it is a plus E. Are you getting the point? Okay, so anode voltage is always negative. When Vs is negative, anode voltage is always less than that of the cathode voltage. Okay, so whether SCR or the thyristor will turn on when Vs is negative, not possible. Are you getting the point? Okay, so important to note that here we are having the four intervals. Okay, one is 0 to theta, right? Second one is we are going to discuss theta to alpha. Third one is alpha to pi minus theta. Fourth one is pi minus theta to pi, right? And after that pi to 2 pi. Okay, so we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, so suppose omega t, or for omega t is equal to 0 to theta. For omega t is equal to 0 to theta. Yes, what is Vs? Vs is less than E. If Vs is less than E, yes, SCR is in forward or reverse bias? SCR is in reverse bias mode. Okay, so it is a reverse blocking mode. Recall the VI characteristics of SCR. In reverse bias, we are having only one mode, that is a reverse blocking mode, right? So Vs less than E. So can we draw the equivalent circuit? Yes, it is a Vs here. SCR which is acting as an open circuit, R, this is a E, right? So here it is a Vs, this is Vt, here it is R, and here it is E. This voltage is V0, current is I0, Is, and this one is It. Okay, now can we say that I0 is equal to Is is equal to It is equal to what? 0 ampere. This current in the circuit is 0. Okay. Next, now V0. What is the V0? That is the voltage across resistor and the EMF. But current in the resistor is 0 because I0 is 0. Okay. So what is the voltage across resistor? Definitely it will be 0 according to Ohm's law. I0 into R. So can we say that V0 is equal to E only? V0 is equal to E, right? Now from this, can we apply KVL to the loop? Yes, it is plus Vs minus Vt minus V0 is equal to 0. But what is V0? V0 is equal to E, right? So from this, can we write Vt is equal to Vs minus E. Vt is equal to Vs minus E. So please check waveforms. From omega t is equal to 0 to theta, right? 0 to theta, we have not applied the gate signal. Okay, and even if we apply the gate signal from 0 to theta, yes, SCR will not turn on because SCR is in the reverse bias mode. Okay, for applying the gate signal or by using, if we are interested in turning on of a SCR with the help of gate triggering, yes, the requirement is SCR should be in the forward bias mode. Okay, so here between 0 to theta, SCR reverse bias mode, so we have not applied the gate signal, right? Next, so between 0 to theta, what is V0? V0 is equal to E, right? What is I0? I0 is equal to 0. What is Vt? Vt is Vs minus E. Vs minus E means what? The difference between these two waveforms. Okay, and omega t is equal to 0, Vs is 0, right? So it is a 0 minus E, so it will be a minus E. It is starting from minus E. Okay, after that Vs goes on increasing, so difference Vs minus E goes on decreasing, so here we are having the decreasing magnitude. Okay, and at omega t is equal to theta, Vs and E both are same, Vs and E are same, so that's why what is Vt? Vt is equal to 0. Okay, so this is for omega t is equal to 0 to theta. Omega t is equal to 0 to theta. Now let us discuss for omega t is equal to theta to alpha. Omega t is equal to theta to alpha. Theta to alpha. Let us discuss. So omega t is equal to theta to alpha, right? So theta to alpha, what is Vs? Vs is greater than E, right? Now Vs greater than E means what? SCR is in forward bias mode. But whether we have applied the gate signal? No. So what is the mode of operation of SCR? Yes, forward blocking mode. Are you getting the point? Yes, this is a forward blocking mode. Okay. Now can we draw the equivalent circuit? Yes. During the forward blocking mode also, SCR will be acting as an off state only, right? So here it is R, here it is E. This is Vs, Vs is positive. This one is Vt, It, Is, R, E, V0 and I0. Right? Again, SCR is in the off state only. Okay? So that's why current in the circuit is 0. So I0 is equal to Is is equal to It is equal to 0 ampere. What is V0? Again V0 is equal to E because voltage across resistor will be 0, right? Next, again what is Vt? Can we apply KVL? Same thing, plus Vs minus Vt minus V0 is equal to 0, right? So from this we can write Vt is equal to, yes, Vs minus E. Vs minus E. Are you getting the point? Okay. So here Vt is Vs minus E. So if you check the waveform, from omega t is equal to theta to alpha, right? What is V0? It is a E only. From theta to alpha, I0 is 0 because SCR is in the off state. And what is Vt? Vt is Vs minus E. But from theta to alpha, right? From theta to alpha, alpha means what? This point, okay? So this is alpha. So from theta to alpha, Vs is greater than E. So Vs minus E will be positive, right? So it is a positive. Are you getting the point? Okay. So this is still omega t is equal to alpha. Next, let us discuss from omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta. Alpha to pi minus theta. So omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta. Yes, so omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta, right? Pi minus theta. Yes, alpha to pi minus theta. So at alpha, we are applying the gate signal. Okay. So what is the thyristor? Thyristor T is in the on state. So what is the mode of operation? Forward conduction mode. Okay. So thyristor is acting as a short circuit, right? Thyristor is acting as a short circuit. So we can draw the equivalent circuit. SCR is in the on state, resistor, EMF. So this is the equivalent circuit. Vs is positive only. This is Vt. Thyristor is acting as a short circuit, right? Is, R, E, and this is V0, right? This one is V0, right? Now from this circuit, what is Vt? Vt is equal to 0 volt because SCR is in the on state. SCR is acting as a short circuit. Okay. Next, so Vt is 0. So if we apply KVL to the loop, what is V0? V0 will be Vs. Okay. So we can check. It is apply KVL. It is plus Vs minus Vt minus V0 is equal to 0. But what is Vt? Vt is 0, right? So therefore we can write V0 is equal to Vs, right? V0 is equal to Vs. Is this clear? So V0 is equal to Vs. Okay. Next, what is I0? If you check only this portion or this section of the circuit, okay, V0 is equal to, can we write V0 is equal to I0 into R plus E, right? V0 is equal to I0 into R plus E. So from this, what is I0? I0 is equal to, yes, V0 minus E upon R. But what is V0? V0 is same as that of the supply voltage. So we can write I0 is equal to Vs minus E upon R. This is I0. This is I0, right? So this is for omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta. So please check. Alpha to pi minus theta is from this instant till this instant. Okay. So alpha to pi minus theta, V0 is same as that of the supply voltage. So please be careful. And alpha, yes, alpha means this point, corresponding to this point, yes, corresponding to this point, where having Vs is greater than E. Okay. So before alpha, we were having V0 is equal to E, right? So at alpha, yes, there is a sudden increase in the V0. Are you getting the point? Here we are having a sudden increase in the V0 value from E, this is a E to this instant. This instant is what? Vm into sine of alpha. Vm into sine of alpha, right? And after that, V0 is same as that of the supply voltage. Okay? Now what is I0? I0 is Vs minus E by R, right? So corresponding to the alpha, at alpha, what is Vs? Vm into sine alpha, right? So it is Vm sine alpha minus E by R, right? Vm sin alpha minus E by R. So Vm sin alpha minus E means what? This is the difference, okay? Divided by R. So that's why again I0 will be a non-zero spike, right? Next, after that again it is having the same shape. At pi minus theta, at omega t is equal to pi minus theta. Yes, again Vs and E both are same, okay? So Vs and E are same. So what is the difference? Yes, 0. So I0 will be 0. So I0 is 0 here. Pi minus theta. Okay. So during this interval alpha to pi minus theta, what is Vt? Vt is 0. Vt is 0. Are you getting the point? Okay. Next, let's check from pi minus theta to pi. Right? Omega t is equal to pi minus theta to pi. Omega t is equal to pi minus theta to pi. Yes, so from pi minus theta to pi, what is Vs? Vs is less than E, right? Vs less than E means SL will be in the forward or reverse bias mode. It is a reverse bias mode, so it is a reverse blocking mode, right? So here, can we draw the equivalent circuit? Yes, Vs. Here it is SL, which is acting as an open circuit, resistor and EMF. Okay. So this is Vs, Is, It, Vt, R, E, V0 and I0. Right? So SL is in the off state. So what is I0? I0 is equal to It is equal to Is is equal to 0 ampere, right? So current in the thyristor is 0. Okay. Now, yes, what is V0? V0 is equal to again E volt, right? V0 is equal to E only. Next, what is the Vt? Yes, we can apply KVL plus Vs minus Vt minus E or minus V0 is equal to 0. But what is V0? It is a E. So we can write Vt is equal to Vs minus E, right? Vt is equal to Vs minus E. But what is Vs? Vs is less than E. So Vt will be negative. So if you check from omega t is equal to pi minus theta to pi, right? Means during this interval. Okay? So during this interval V0 is E, right? What is I0? I0 is 0 because current in the circuit is 0 because thyristor is in the off state. Okay? So I0 is 0. What is Vt? Vt is negative because it is a Vs minus E and Vs is less than E. So that's why it is a negative. At pi Vs is 0, right? So it is a 0 minus E. So that's why it is a minus E, right? At pi Vt will be minus E. This is a E, right? Minus E plus. Okay? Next, this will continue till omega t is equal to pi. Now let us discuss from pi to 2 pi. Let us discuss from pi to 2 pi what will happen. Okay? Omega t is equal to pi to 2 pi, right? What is supply voltage? Pi to 2 pi, it is a negative. Okay? Supply voltage is a negative from pi to 2 pi. Yes, supply voltage is negative, right? Supply voltage is negative means SR will be in the reverse bias mode only, right? So it is reverse blocking mode, right? Now can we draw the equivalent circuit? It is Vs SR which is in the off state, resistor, EMF plus minus Vs. Supply voltage negative, that's why it is plus, here it is minus. This is Vt, this one is It, Is, R, E, V0, I0, right? Yes, so in this circuit what is I0? I0 is equal to It is equal to Is is equal to 0 ampere, right? Next, what is V0? V0 is equal to E, okay? Because voltage across resistor is 0, okay? Next, can we apply KVL? It is like plus Vs plus V0 plus Vt is equal to 0. So what is Vt? Vt is equal to minus Vs minus V0, right? So it is like minus Vs minus E, because V0 is equal to E. V0 is equal to E. Are you getting the point? This is a Vt, voltage across thyristor. Voltage across thyristor. So if you check from pi to 2 pi, from omega t is equal to pi to 2 pi, Vs is negative, okay? Yes, what is V0? V0 is equal to E only. I0 is 0. Important to note that the Vt waveform, Vt is minus Vs minus E, right? Means this is already negative. In that we need to add this one, okay? So it is a waveform will be like this. Are you getting the point? Okay? So, and when Vs is at peak value, okay? So voltage across thyristor will be, yes, Vm plus E, but it negative, but it will be in negative direction. Okay? This will continue till 2 pi. After 2 pi, what will happen? The same cycle goes on repeating. Okay, same cycle goes on repeating. Are you getting the point? So here for RE load, important to note that SR will be in the on state only during theta to pi minus theta. Omega t is equal to theta to omega t is equal to pi minus theta. Right?